Ever wondered how to achieve those fitness goals while staying at home? Or perhaps the challenge is finding an effective workout routine that doesn't require a fully equipped gym? Well, no worries, the solution is here. Welcome to a comprehensive guide on effective home workouts for beginners. Diving right in, the first workout to consider is the classic push-up. This exercise targets the chest, shoulders, and arms. Start by placing hands shoulder-width apart on the floor, extend legs out behind, and keep the body straight. Lower the body until the chest almost touches the floor, then push back up to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, ensuring to maintain proper form throughout. Next up, squats, an essential exercise for building lower body strength. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart, hinge at the hips, push the butt back, and bend the knees to lower the body as far as comfortable. Make sure the chest is up and the knees don't go past the toes. Push back up to standing, squeezing the glutes at the top. Again, aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Thirdly, lunges are great for targeting each leg individually, promoting balance and coordination. Stand tall, take a step forward with one foot, and lower the body until the front knee is at a 90-degree angle. The back knee should hover just off the floor. Push back up and repeat with the other leg. Try for 3 sets of 10 reps on each leg. Moving on to the upper body, tricep dips are a must. Sit on the edge of a chair or step, place hands next to the hips, slide the butt off the edge, and bend the elbows to a 90-degree angle. Push back up to the start. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Lastly, don't forget about the core. Planks are a fantastic full-body exercise that also targets the abdominal muscles. Start in a push-up position, but rest on the forearms instead of the hands. Keep the body straight and hold for as long as possible. Try for 3 rounds, holding each for at least 30 seconds. To summarize, this video has provided a step-by-step guide for 5 effective home workouts for beginners. Starting with push-ups for the upper body, moving on to squats and lunges for lower body strength, followed by tricep dips for arm definition, and finishing with planks for core stability. Remember, the key to any workout routine is consistency. Aim to perform these exercises 3 to 4 times per week for optimal results. So, there you have it. No more excuses about not being able to hit the gym. With these exercises, anyone can start their fitness journey right at home. Stay active, stay healthy, and keep pushing those limits. Until next time, keep moving.
Thanks for watching Body Blaster Insights. If you enjoyed today's insights, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's build a positive community together. Stay motivated, stay positive, and keep thriving.